great time with great battles and great plays. Sometimes I lost, sometimes I won. That's it.
On the inside of the track, Kristina Vogel up against Simona, Krupeckaite. Just to give you an idea for her, Simona Krupeckaite, twice the world champion, she's the current world heritage champion. Going up against the fastest qualifier here tonight, Kristina Vogel. To give you an idea, Kristina Vogel is the 5-time junior world champion.
Yeah, Kristina Vogel's shown great form here today. She's cruised through all the heats to get to this moment. Kristina only 20 years of age. Coming it up, the big counter goes high. As we see now, Kristina building up with 1.5 to travel. As we see, this is a wind-up now. They're certainly not going to slow down from this point, Matt. We're going to come into a great battle. This is for the gold medal.
Kristina Vogel loses side of Simona Krupeckaite. The champ goes to the front now. This girl didn't qualify the fastest. This is going to lead it out in the front. So much experience. Down the back straight now. Krupeckaite goes to the front. She's got Kristina Vogel on the hip. Has she got the form to hold her off? Vogel trying. Up the home straight. Simona Krupeckaite. Kristina Vogel said, no, it was me.
Yeah, the arm went up in the air by Kristina. I didn't see it from here. From here, it looked like Simona, but it went nowhere near the line. I'm looking to my screen right now. It was a 12-second 200 metres. Simona thinks she's got it. Kristina thinks she's got it.